Well, I'm afraid this is goodbye. No, I'm not leaving YouTube, but are you really a YouTuber if you never make a fake clickbaity goodbye video? I may not be leaving YouTube, but this is the last video I'll be making in this studio space. A lot has happened over here in the last 2 years or so, and to put it more bluntly, life has really tried kicking our ass lately. This prompted us to simplify things and put more time into what's important, like our personal health and working on things that we actually enjoy. The good news is that for me, that's still creating content, so I'll still be making gear reviews and lighting setup tutorials, and I have some plans for some other hopefully interesting things in the near future. You also may have noticed lately that I've been selling a lot of my gear. That's partially because I'll have less storage space where we're moving, but also because after testing piles and piles of lighting and camera equipment, I want to put my favorites to use in more creative ways. I know a lot of people rely on my lighting reviews to compare things from different brands, and like I said, those aren't going away. But in the past, I've tried covering basically everything I possibly could, including one-off products from obscure brands, and that's not really sustainable. So moving forward, I'll still be testing every product I can get my hands on, but I'll be posting a lot of that behind the scenes on my other social media. I'll just only be sharing the ones that I think are the best or most interesting on YouTube. If you haven't already noticed, I reply to basically every single comment on my channel. I'll continue to do that and answer any questions that you might have, even if I can't make a dedicated video on whatever piece of gear that you're considering buying. I've got an all-new office studio to set up over the next few weeks, and I'll have some tips and gear to share with you in an upcoming office studio tour video. Until that's done, make sure you follow me on social media because I'll be posting there in the meantime. That's it for this place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.